You know the feeling. You're in the middle of a nail-biting gaming session. Victory is right there, and then bam! Everything grinds to a halt. It's so frustrating, right? Well, it might feel like some random, mysterious curse, but it's really not. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly what's happening inside your PC when it starts to lag.
I mean, think about it. You're lining up that perfect headshot, you're about to cross the finish line, and the screen just freezes. For even a split second, that's all it takes. The moment's gone. It feels totally unfair, but I promise you, there's a logical reason for it. It's a specific hardware problem, and we're about to solve this mystery together.
So, let's dive into this lagging game mystery. The crime scene is your stuttering gameplay, and our prime suspect? It's a sneaky little issue that can bring even the most powerful gaming rigs to their knees if things aren't set up just right.
And here is our culprit. It's called a PC bottleneck. Honestly, this one term is the key to understanding everything. The best way to think about it is like a massive 4-lane highway that suddenly shrinks down to a single lane. It doesn't matter how fast your supercar is, you're getting stuck in that traffic jam. And that is exactly what's happening inside your computer when one part can't keep up with the rest.
Now, this is probably the most important thing to get your head around. You could have the most expensive, top-of-the-line graphics card money can buy, but if you pair it with a really slow processor, you've just created a very, very expensive traffic jam. So the secret to buttery smooth gameplay isn't just about having the most powerful parts, it's about balance. It's about how all your components work together as a team.
So who are the star players on this PC team of yours? Let's meet the big three. Once you understand what each one does, you'll see exactly how they're supposed to work in perfect harmony.
And to make this super simple, we're going to use an analogy. Just think of your PC as a really high-end kitchen. In this kitchen, you've got a brilliant chef, a masterful artist, and a huge, perfectly organized workspace.
First up, let's meet the CPU. This is our head chef. It's the brain of the whole operation. Now, the chef isn't the one actually painting the beautiful picture you see on screen, but it's doing all the critical prep work. It's calculating game physics, running the enemy AI, and basically telling everyone else in the kitchen what to do.
Next, we have the GPU. This is our artist. The GPU is an absolute specialist. It takes all the instructions from the chef and turns them into the stunning visuals you see on screen. It's a master at doing millions of things at once to draw every single pixel, every shadow, every reflection. It makes the game look gorgeous.
And finally, there's the RAM. We'll call this the workspace. This is like a massive clean countertop right between the chef and the artist. It's their high-speed, short-term memory, holding all the data and ingredients they need right now. This way, neither of them has to waste precious time running to the slow pantry in the back to grab what they need.
Okay, so when this team is working perfectly together, the result is that silky smooth gameplay we're all after. Let's walk through the perfect play-by-play for how just a single frame of your game gets made.
And this all happens in the blink of an eye. First, the chef, your CPU, figures out everything that's happening in the game world. Then it preps a detailed list of instructions and hands it off to the artist, your GPU. The GPU gets to work immediately, rendering that beautiful image. And the whole time, both of them are grabbing the data they need instantly from their shared workspace, the RAM. This whole dance happens 60, 120, even 240 times every single second. But what happens when that perfect workflow just breaks? This is where that traffic jam, that bottleneck, brings the whole operation to a stuttering, frustrating halt.
Now, listen up, because this is how you can actually diagnose your own computer. Go look at your performance monitor. If you see your CPU pinned at 100% usage, but your GPU is just chilling at, say, 50%, that's a classic CPU bottleneck. Your chef is completely overwhelmed with orders, and the artist is just standing around waiting for something to do. On the other hand, if your GPU is maxed out at 100%, that's usually a good thing. It just means your artist is working as hard as possible to paint the most beautiful picture for you.
So what's the actual goal here? It might sound a little strange, but what you want to see is both your CPU and your GPU with high usage. That's the sign of a healthy, well-balanced system. It means the chef is preparing orders just as fast as the artist can paint them. No one is waiting around, and no power is being wasted. That's the sweet spot.
But hey, what about our workspace? We can't forget about RAM.
If that countertop is too small or too cluttered, both your chef and your artist have to constantly stop what they're doing and run to the slow pantry, your hard drive, to get what they need. And that is what causes those awful, jarring stutters. So, the big takeaway here? For most modern games, make sure you have at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. It keeps that workspace big, clean, and efficient.
Okay, so we've diagnosed the problem and we know our key players. So how do we actually fix it? Let's talk about building that perfectly balanced team for what you want to do.
See, the right balance really depends on your goal and specifically your screen resolution. If you're gaming at 1080p and trying to get super high frame rates, your CPU, the chef, has to work incredibly fast. But at 1440p, the load starts to balance out. And once you jump all the way up to 4K, well, now the big challenge is just drawing all those millions of pixels. The workload shifts almost entirely to the GPU, our artist. At that point, your system becomes GPU-bound, and that's totally normal and expected.
And that's really the heart of it all. The best gaming PC isn't necessarily the one with this single most expensive part stuffed inside. It's the one with the right parts that all work together in perfect harmony. It's a team where the chef, the artist, and the workspace are all perfectly matched, so no single player is holding everyone else back.